Namaskaram, welcome back to Shloka EL. Belated Happy Independence Day. We are all very proud of our motherland. We make India proud. We don't have to be Asim Premji or Sudha Murthy or Narayana Murthy, Tendulkar, Yuvraj Singh, Amitabh Bachchan or A.R. Rahman to make India proud. We just have to be ourselves. So if you happen to work in a global team, and if your counterparts from other countries appreciate your work, and if they tell you like it's because of people like you, or it's because of teams like this, India is on the global map, you have made India proud. You are on cloud 9 and you have taken India also on cloud 9. So that's all it takes. Let's continue our learning journey on Saundarya Lahari. We stopped at shloka number 75. Let's continue. We'll try to cover the next 10 shlokas in this video. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnur Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shloka number 76. हरक्रोधज्वालावलिभिः अवलीढेन वपुषा गभीरे तेनाभिसरसि कृतसङ्गो मनसि जहा समुत्तस्थौ तस्मात् अचलतनये धूमलतिका जनस्तान् जानीते तव जननि रोमावलिरिति. Harak Krodha, by now these rules are like, they are familiar to all of you. It's like the back of your hand. Harak, hold the ik. Krodhaj, hold the ij. So look for, prime your mind to look for half letters. And wherever you come across a half letter, this is in reference to Sanskrit text, those are natural breakpoints. Harakrodhajwalavalibihi avalidhen, dha, second dha, avalidhena vapusha gabhire te nabhi sarasi krita. No, it's not kru. Don't use the word ru. Krita sango manasi jaham samuttasthau tasmat. So ta and a will become the. So samuttasthau tasmat dachalatanaye dhumalatika is also correct, but we are breaking it. समुत्तस्थौ तस्मात् अचलतनये धूमलतिकां जनस्तां जानीते तव जननि रोमावलिरिति. So if you don't want to break the line into two halves, then you can follow the joining rules all throughout. For instance, हरक्रोधज्वालावलिभिरवलीढेन वपुषा गभीरे तेनाभिसरसि कृतसङ्गो मनसि जहां समुत्तस्थौ तस्मादचलतनये धूमलतिकां जनस्तान् जानीते तव जननि रोमावलिरिति. This is also apt for Parayanam. Next shloka. Yadetat kalindi tanutara taranga kriti shive tanutara taranga kriti shive yadetat kalindi tanutara taranga kriti shive कृषे मध्ये किंचित जननी तव यद्भाति सुधियाम् विमर्दा विमर्दा sorry विमर्दादन्योन्यं कुचकलशयोरन्तरगतं तनुभूतं व्योम प्रविशदिव नाभिं कुहरिणीम् यदेतत् so likewise half letters and halant. So yadetat, the ta has a halant, so that is also a natural point to linger. Yadetat kalindi tanutara taranga, ga should be heard clearly. Taranga kriti shive, not kruti, don't use ru, kriti shive, kripa kriti. यदेतत् कालिन्दी तनुतरतरङ्गाकृति शिवे कृशे मध्ये किञ्चित् किञ्चित् we are breaking कृशे मध्ये किञ्चित् जननि तव यद्भाति सुधियाम् और कृशे मध्ये किञ्चित् जननि तव यद्भाति सुधियाम्. The latter is without introducing breaks. Vimardat, actually it's Vimardat, halant, right? If you are breaking it after Vimardat, you have to say Vimardat Anyonyam. But let's say we break it after Anyonyam. So you have to say Vimardadan, because ta plus a will combine to become the. So Vimardadannyonyam kuchakalashayorantharagatam. So it's like kuchakalashayoho antaracharim. So that visargam followed by a will become ra. So kuchakalashayorantharagatam tanubhutam vyomap, hold the ip, vyomap pravishadiva. Tanubhutam vyomap pravishadiva nabhim kuharinim. So we'll try to chant without breaks. Yadetat kalindi tanutarataranga kriti shive कृशे मध्ये किञ्चित् जननि तव यद्भाति सुधियाम् विमर्दादन्योन्यं कुचकलशयोरन्तरगतं तनुभूतं व्योम प्रविशदिव नाभिं कुहरिणीम्. Or you can break it. Yadetat kalindi break तनुतरतरङ्गाकृति शिवे कृशे मध्ये किञ्चित् ब्रेक जननि तव यद्भाति सुधियाम् विमर्दात् अन्योन्यं कुचकलशयोः अन्तरगतं. That's also right. तनुभूतं व्योम प्रविशदिव नाभिं कुहरिणीम्. Okay. But for parayanams and group chanting, following joining rules is very important. Okay? You are not deviating from any chandas or any other rule of chanting if you combine words. The beauty of Sanskrit language is about joining rules. Next one. Sthiro गंगावर्तः स्तनमुकुलरोमावलिलता कलावालं कुण्डं कुसुमशरतेजोहुतभुजः रतेर्लीलागारं किमपि तव नाभिर्गिरिसुते बिलद्वारं सिद्धेर्गिरिशनयनानां विजयते. स्थिरो, स्थि, Okay, th is second th. Sthiro gangavartah stanamukula roma valilatam kalavalam kundam kusuma sharatejo hutabhujaha रतेर्लीलागारं किमपि तव नाभिर्गिरिसुते बिलद् hold the id बिलद्वारं सिद्धेर okay सिद्धेः and girisha nayananam gi will become ir सिद्धेर गिरीश नयनानां विजयते siddhehe is also correct. So without breaking, I'll chant once without breaking the line into two halves, and again I will chant with breaks. Sthiro gangavartastana mukula roma valilatam kalavalam kundam kusuma sharatejo hutabhujaha रतेर्लीलागारं किमपि तव नाभिर्गिरिसुते बिलद्वारं सिद्धेर्गिरिशनयनानां विजयते. With breaks now. स्थिरो गंगावर्तः स्तनमुकुलरोमावलिलतां कलावालं कुण्डं कुसुमशरतेजोहुतभुजः रतेर्लीलागारं किमपि तव नाभिर्गिरिसुते बिलद्वारं सिद्धेर्गिरिशनयनानां विजयते. I hope this is clear. We'll move on to shloka number 79. निसर्गक्षीणस्य स्तनतटभरेण क्लमजुषः नमन्मूर्तेर्नारीतिलक शनकैस्तृट्यत इव चिरन्ते मध्यस्य त्रुटिततटिनीति तीरतरुणां समावस्थास्थेम्नः भवतु कुशलं शैलतनये. Nisargak, hold the kshi is made up of, it starts with the syllable ik, so hold the ik. Nisar, roll your tongue for it, all those rules remain the same. Nisargakshinasya stana tata bhare nak, hold the ik, stana tata bhare nak klama joshaha. Okay. Naman murter nari tilaka shanakais, okay, shanakaihi trutyata, ta will become is, shanakais trutyata iva. Chirante madhyasya, madh, okay, the is second the half, madh, so pause, madhyasya trutita tatini tira taruna samavasthas tha, samavasthas themnaha. So if you see here, samavas, because sa is half, stop means should not, the pause should not be very long, linger over it. Samavasthas, second pause, them, third pause, naha. Bhavatu kushalam shailatanaye. I think I changed my tune. I will chant, I'm going to chant every shloka without and with breaks. Okay. Nisargakshinasya Nisargakshinasya stanatatabharena क्लमजुषो नमन्मूर्तेर् नारी तिलक शनकैस्तृट्यत इव चिरन्ते मध्यस्य त्रुटिततटिनी तीरतरुणां समावस्थास्थेम्नो भवतु कुशलं शैलतनये. So this is by following all the joining rules. So only if the visargam is in the end, then we will say the visargam. Otherwise, we use the joining rules. Now with breaks, विसर्गक्षीणस्य स्तनतटभरे न क्लमजुषः. If you are saying klamajusho, then you have to immediately say naman murte. So not many of us will be able to hold that breath. So we kind of split it. Naman murter nari tilaka shanakaistrutyata iva. Chirante madhyasya truti madhyasyat. If you are saying together, that's what I said in my first version. In this version, madhyasya trudita tatini tira taruna. So I am not holding a it for trutiyat. I hope you got it. So chirante madhyasya trudita, if you are saying continuously, or if you are breaking after madhyasya, then chirante madhyasya trutita tatini tira taruna samavasthasthemnaha bhavatu kushalam shailatanaye. Next one, 80. Kuchau sadyasvidyat tataghatita kurpasa bhidurau kashantau dormule kanakakalashābhau kalayatam tavatratum bhangadhalamiti valagnam tanubhuvam tridhanadham devi trivalilavali vallibhiriva. Kuchau, okay, not kucho, kuchau sadyas svidyat, svidyat, because halant and we are breaking, so had it, svidyat. Kuchau sadyas svidyat tataghatita kurpasa bhidurau. Bhidurau. Kashantau dormule, not daurmule, dormule kanaka kalashabhau kalayata. Kashantau dormule kanaka kalashabhau kalayata. Tavat, hold the it for tra. Tavatratum bhanga dalamiti. Bhanga dalamiti or bhangat alamiti. Remember, ta plus a will become the. So you can get rid of ta from bhangat and get rid of a and introduce the. Bhanga dalamiti valagnam. Valagnam. Valag, hold the ig there. Valagnam tanubhuvam. Tavatratum bhangadhalamiti valagnam tanubhuvam. Tridhanadham devi trivalilavali vallibhiriva. So if you are saying the last line continuously, then it will be Tridhanadham devit. Hold the it for trivali. Devit trivali lavali vallibhiriva. I hope it's clear. Kuchau sadyasvidyat. That, okay, I'm going to chant without breaks. Sorry. Kuchau sadyasvidyat tataghatita kurpasa bhidurau. Kashantau dormule kanaka kalashabhau kalayatam. Tavatratum bhangadhalamiti valagnam tanubhuvam. Tridhanadham devit त्रिवलिलवलीवल्लिभिरिवा. Now with breaks. कुचौ सद्यस्विद्यत् तटघटितकूर्पासभिदुरौ कषन्तौ दोर्मूले कनककलशाभौ कलयताम्. तव त्रातुं भङ्गादलमिति वलग्नं तनुभुवां त्रिधानद्धं देवी त्रिबलिलवलीवल्लिभिरिवा. One time, if you hold they with, then you will never go wrong in saying we. Sometimes if you don't hold, then devi will become devi, long vowel. So always better to hold. Don't stop at devi. Maybe you can stop after devit trivali. If you are stopping at short vowel, then please be very careful. Don't extend it. So in this case, tridhanadham devi will make v long instead of short vowel. So better to hold devit, then v will always be short. Okay, next shlokam. Gurutvam vistaram kshitidharapatihi parvati nijat नितम्बादाच्छिद्य त्वयि हरणरूपेण निदधे. अतस्ते विस्तीर्णो गुरुः अयमशेषां वसुमतीं नितम्बप्राग्भारः स्थगयति लघुत्वं नयति च. गुरुत्वं विस्तारं क्षितिधरपतिहि. Kshiti, okay? Kshi starts with ik sound. Kshitidharapatihi Parvati Nijat. If you are breaking it after patihi. Nitam ba, there's a nitam bat, chidya. So ta and a will become the. Nitam ba, dach, okay? Dachidya त्वयि हरण रूपेण निदधे. अतस्ते विस्तीर्णो गुरुः, because we are breaking. Ayamashesham vasumatim. If you are not breaking, then ataste vistirno guru rayamashesham vasumatim. Nitam bap, hold the ip. Nitam bap pragbaraha. If you are not holding, if you are not splitting, then nitam bap pragbharas stagayati laghutvam nayati cha. So without breaks. Gurutvam vistaram kshitidharapatif parvati nijat. Patif, patihi plus pa will become if. Patif. Nitambadatchidyat nitambadatchidyat त्वयि हरणरूपेण निदधे. अतस्ते विस्तीर्णो गुरुरयमशेषां वसुमतीं नितम्बप्राग्भारस्तगयति लघुत्वं नयति च. Now with breaks. Gurutvam vistaram kshitidharapatihi Parvati nijat nitambadachidya त्वयि हरणरूपेण निदधे. अतस्ते विस्तीर्णो गुरुः अयमशेषां वसुमतीं नितम्बप्राग्भारः स्थगयति लघुत्वं नयति च. Now we are moving on to shloka number 82. करीन्द्राणां शुण्डान् कनककदलीकाण्डपटलीम् उभाभ्याम् ऊरुभ्याम् उभयमपि निर्जित्य भवति. सुवृत्ताभ्यां पत्युः प्रणतिकठिनाभ्यां गिरिसुते विधिज्ञे जानुभ्यां विबुधकरिकुम्भद्वयमसि. करीन्, hold the in, करी री is दीर्घम. करीन्द्राणां शुण्डान् कनककदली काण्डपटलीम् उभाभ्याम् ऊरुभ्याम् उभयमपि निर्जित्य भवति. T can be दीर्घम or short, both are correct. भवति or भवति. सुवृत्त, वृत्त, okay. सुवृत्ताभ्यां पत्युः प्रणति कठिनाभ्यां गिरिसुते. कठिनाभ्यां, कठि. विधिग, hold the ig for nye. विधिज्ञे जानुभ्यां विबुधकरि कुम्भद्, hold the id, कुम्भद्वयमसि. Without breaks. करीन्द्राणां शुण्डान् कनककदली काण्डपटलीम् उभाभ्याम् ऊरुभ्याम् उभयमपि निर्जित्य भवति. सुवृत्ताभ्यां पत्युः प्रणति कठिनाभ्यां गिरिसुते. I will repeat this line. सुवृत्ताभ्यां पत्युः प्रणति कठिनाभ्यां गिरिसुते विधिज्ञे जानुभ्यां विबुधकरिकुम्भद्वयमसि. Now with breaks. करीन्द्राणां शुण्डान् कनककदली काण्डपटलीम् उभाभ्याम् ऊरुभ्याम् उभयमपि निर्जित्य भवति. सुवृत्ताभ्यां पत्युः प्रणति कठिनाभ्यां गिरिसुते विधिज्ञे जानुभ्यां विबुधकरिकुम्भद्वयमसि. श्लोका नंबर 83. पराजेतुं रुद्रं द्विगुणशरगर्भौ गिरिसुते निषङ्गौ जङ्घेते विषमविशिखो बाढमकृताम् यदग्रे दृश्यन्ते दशशरफलाः पादयुगली नखाग्रच्छद्मानः सुरमकुटशानैकनिशिताः. पराजेतुं रुद्रं द्विगुणशरगर्भौ गिरिसुते. रुद्रम, okay. द्विगुण शरगर्भौ, भौ second भ, गिरिसुते. निषङ्गौ, not go, not निषङ्गो, निषङ्गौ जङ्घे, घे second घ, ते. विषम विषम श, विषम विषयम, right, that sh. विषम विशिखो बाढ मकृत. Don't say makruta, makruta. पराजेतुं रुद्रं द्विगुणशरगर्भौ गिरिसुते निषङ्गौ जङ्घेते विषमविशिखो बाढमकृत. यदग्रे, hold ग, यदग्रे दृश्यन्ते दशशरफलाः पादयुगली नखाग्रच्छद्मानः सुरमकुटशानैकनिशिताः. यदग्रे, stop, दृश्यन्ते दशशरफलाः, फलाः plus पादयुगली will become if. फलाः पादयुगली नखाग्रच्छद, oh, ch is First ka, I mean, the first occurrence of ka is the second ka. Nakhag, grach, chad, manaha. Okay. Parajetum rudram द्विगुण शरगर्भौ गिरिसुते निषङ्गौ जङ्घेते विषमविशिखो बाढमकृता यदग्रे दृश्यन्ते दशशरफलाः पादयुगली नखाग्रच्छद्मानः सुरमकुटशाणैकनिशिताः Parajetum, I think other than it's the same thing. Nakhagrachadma manaha. Okay, if you don't want to break, then you can say manasura. Okay, nakhagrachadmanasura shanaika. That is also correct. Next shloka. श्रुतीनामूर्धानो दधति तव यौ शेखरतया ममाप्येतौ मातः शिरसि दयया देहि चरणौ. There is no break in this line. यदौ पाद्यं पाथः पशुपतिजटाजूटतटिनी ययोर्लाक्षालक्ष्मीः अरुणहरिचूडामणिरुचिः. श्रुतीनां मूर्धानो दधति. Okay? श्रुतीनां मूर्धानो दधति तव यौ शेखरतया ममाप्येतौ मातः. Hold the ish, mataha plus she will become matash shirasi dayaya dehi charanau. Yayof, yo plus if will become yof. Yayof padhyam pathaha pashupati jata jhuta tatini yayorlaksha lakshmihi. Yayoho plus laksha will become ir. So yayorlaksha lakshmihi arunahari chuda maniruchihi. Okay. Shrutinam murdhano dadhati tavayau shekharatayam ममाप्येतौ मातः शिरसि दयया देहि चरणौ. ययोः पाद्यं पाथः पशुपतिजटाजूटतटिनी ययोर्लाक्षा लक्ष्मीः अरुणहरिचूडामणिरुचिः. Without breaks. Okay, let's go on to the next shloka. Namo vakam bhrumaha nayana ramaniyaya padayoho tavasmai dvandvaya स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे. नमो वाकं ब्रूमः. Okay, if you are breaking. Nayana ramaniyaya padayoho. If you don't want to break, namo vakam brumo nayana ramaniyaya padayoho tavasmaid. Hold the id. तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते. This is with break. Without breaking. तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते. Hold the is, okay? यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे. Okay, so that completes our 10 shlokas for this video, and so we will meet until I post my next video. Please keep the practice on. Speed is an outcome of practice. The more you practice, the faster you will be able to chant. And also, don't worry too much about breath control. If you are unable to control your breath, if you are unable to sustain till the end of the line or till the end of the shloka, then you can break the line. But please follow all the rules for breaking the line. Don't randomly break the lines, because that will be a bad reflection on your teacher. Thank you very much for all your support. Please continue to watch my videos, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. Thank you. Bye.